Sprinting to the future of law. A drop in the ocean. Roving the seven seas with sea drones. Part 4. Some legal and regulatory concerns with sea drones. In the previous part of this issue, we talked about who could be interested in sea drones. In this part, we will discuss legal and regulatory concerns with sea drones. Many countries have developed regulations for the management of aerial drones, but little has been done about sea drones. Unfortunately, for sea drones, the legacy laws related to maritime and water navigation are naturally the first concerns. Laws developed to regulate large and crude watercrafts do not fit well with the actualities of sea drones, especially regards to their production, registration, and operations. For example, navigation on inland water bodies in India is regulated by the Inland Vessels Act of 2021. Despite being a relatively new law, there is no explicit reference to sea drones, whether they are USV or UUVs. This law, if applied, would prohibit the construction of USV or UUV without prior approval. Even a small sea drone designed for pleasure, videography, or monitoring wildlife habitat would require mandatory registration and certification. Another issue is data privacy and geospatial data. Sea drones, especially in use cases like recreation, videography, and monitoring assets, operate around human beings and record their movements and behavior. Here, care must be taken that personal data is not captured, or it could lead to extensive compliances under data privacy and protection laws. Moreover, many sea drones capture or use location data. So we need to comply with laws and guidelines on the collection and use of geospatial data. India issued National Geospatial Policy in December 2022, in addition to the guidelines for acquiring and producing geospatial data issued in February 2021. Another concern would be safety and liability. Sea drones can cause accidents or collisions with other vessels, structures, or marine life. Owners, manufacturers, and operators may be held accountable for resulting damage or injuries. Adequate insurance coverage and risk management practices may be mandated by the law. The national and international laws related to protecting sovereignty should also be considered. Sea drones are often too small to register on radars and sonar systems, hence governments would be concerned. How do we reconcile the rights of innocent passages in territorial waters as it is applied with ships to sea drones? We need to develop clear regulations and legal frameworks to address issues like production and operations of sea drone, especially related to collisions, navigation, and data privacy. In the next part of this issue, we will look at some operational and environmental considerations with sea drones.